All right, guys, I'm going to walk you through a simple setup so you can kind of see how things had worked out earlier. So as you can see, when price action was in, it was in a downward trend. And when it was in that downward trend and it broke out, then you had your stop loss, your entry, and it started going up. So what I did was when price action started going up, as it was moving higher, I moved my stop loss from here and I moved it right about to there just in case it was a pullback. And certainly enough, it did, but I got tapped out in profit. So that was that. Then price action zoomed out really, really quick. It was just like a thunder thrust. Let me move to regular candles. Maybe we see a little bit better. There was a huge thunder thrust. It was just sudden move. So it came in a little bit late, but that's okay. You had your entry right here. You see that? That was the entry where it triggered right there. And then you had your stop loss right there. And you had your take profit right there. You can clearly see at the entry point down to here, there was absolutely no drawdown. Because your stop was right here, entered right there. Bingo, you're out of the trade. And that was that. So here's the deal. Somebody said on a YouTube comment this morning, hey, how come people don't post their comments on YouTube about what they're succeeding? You know, the point is that when people find exactly what they want and they're starting to find success, they're not constantly living on YouTube looking for the next holy grail or the next shiny object because they found what they were looking for. So basically, as you can see right here, this was sent to our admin, which is Miss Donna, in a private message through Telegram. So we do get private messages from people who say, thank you very much for what you did. Man, this is amazing. So they don't comment in the YouTube channel because they're not on there. They're in there trading now. You know, real traders don't spend a lot of time just constantly surfing around on YouTube to find out what's the best shiny object. Once they do find it, they just be happy. They're happy. Hey, Super Easy family, using the parallel universe, I can now clearly see all the fake breakouts and stop hunts and so forth. Okay? So anyway, long story short, another happy person. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.